e.l.f stock analysis and e.l.f stock prediction. Is it a buy now? Let's watch this very brief, short 1-minute video till the end to find out. e.l.f Beauty is decent, you know, it's $111, 24% up. The way that I'm looking to double down on this is very simple, very nice. After a pump up as such, I'm just looking to double down. Like, notice even my language here. I have been in the market for 5 years. I've done 40,000 videos, and not just 40,000 videos. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, right? And just 5 years of my freaking resource of time. Now, you obviously don't have to spend that, but I'm just kind of showing you that I've really, this might seem very stupid, but simple scales, fancy fails. And the only way, like for tomorrow, Friday, last day of the week, that I'm willing to double down on is if I see a 30-minute shift, go for a correction, and then I take things up. This might happen even in the next week. I'm not going to sit here and assume, but more so I'm going to keep you updated. So I'm going to react. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.